I'm going to show you how to make money online today. So if you want to know how you can start making money online today, this video is for you. The first thing that you need to do is figure out what skills you have. Now, I'm not talking about the skills that you had in high school or college. I'm talking about the skills that you have right now at this very moment that you could use to make money online. For example, do you have any type of social media account that has a decent following? If so, you could definitely monetize that. You could also start a blog and write about things that you're knowledgeable about. Or maybe you have a camera and you could start doing YouTube videos. The possibilities are really endless here. So take some time to figure out what skills you have that you could use to make money online. Once you've figured out what skills you have, the next thing that you need to do is find a way to monetize them. There are literally endless ways to do this. But here are a few ideas to get your brain going. If you have a social media account with a decent following, you could start by promoting other people as products and services and earn a commission on any sales that you drive. This is a great way to start making money because you don't have to create your own product or service. You just have to promote other people's stuff and you get a little cut. You could also start a blog and monetize it with Google AdSense. This is where you basically write articles about topics that you're really knowledgeable about. And then you place ads on your blog and earn money from the clicks that those ads receive. Or maybe you have a camera and you could start doing YouTube videos. And guess what? You could also monetize those videos with ads. Or maybe you're not comfortable being on camera, but you have a good voice. Well, you could start a podcast, and there are actually a lot of platforms out there that will pay you to host people's podcasts on their platforms. So, yeah, the opportunities are really endless here. So spend some time figuring out what skills you have and how you could monetize them. The third thing that you need to do is take action. I know this is easier said than done, but you need to take some type of action in order to start making money online. If you're just going to sit around and wait for things to happen, it's probably not going to happen. You need to be proactive and actually start taking steps towards your goal of making money online. So, for example, if you decide that you want to start a blog, then you need to actually start writing articles. If you decide that you want to start doing YouTube videos, then you need to start recording videos. It's really up to you what you want to do, but whatever it is, you need to start taking action. Now, I know that this might seem like a lot of work, but it's not as hard as it seems. There are so many resources available to help you get started, whether it's books, courses, or even free tutorials on YouTube. There's no shortage of information out there. You just have to go out and find it. And once you find it, take action on it. And finally, the last thing that you need to do is be patient. Making money online is not going to happen overnight. It takes time and effort to build something that is going to generate income. So be patient and keep working at it. And don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just stick with it, and eventually you'll be successful. So those are my tips on how to make money online. I hope they've been helpful, and I wish you all the best in your journey towards making money online. Thank you for watching.